Welcome to part 18, Imports and Instantiation. So the first code that appears in dashboard.py are all of the imports. These are all of the objects that will be used to create the dashboard. And then we instantiate the app, so that's the next thing that we do over here. It's slightly different. We use the dash class, not the Jupyter dash class. So this is found in the main dash library. And one thing that is different is that we are going to link to an external style sheet. So this is a bunch of CSS that our app will use to make the components look a little bit different, look a little bit nicer. In particular, the Dash Bootstrap components library uses or relies on this particular style sheet. So we have to link to the particular Bootstrap version that we are using, that we want to use for this Dash Bootstrap components. So Bootstrap again is this, CSS, this popular CSS and a library that will help style many different components on a web page for you without doing too much work yourself. Okay, so that's the imports and instantiation of our application.